guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get neon materials and it like flashing out because I see no tutorials about how to do this, and I know a bunch of games that people want to make don't know how. So today I'm going to be showing you guys. So create a normal material and like this, like just and name it green neon or whatever color it is, and just put neon at the end, or you don't have to. So go down to emission, check that box out. Ayo, what? I mean, just kidding. Anyways, so I'm gonna look for green neon. So I'm gonna choose neon. I'm gonna choose like green, and then like put the box up here, and you see how like it has that thing, but it doesn't like give off that lighting. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So what you want to do is that you right click, go to light, point light, and right here, bring it over here, right in front of where the thing is, and go into materials, click on this, and what you do for the lighting, you click on this. Nope, never mind. You don't do that. You click on this like droplet thingy. You see how it's like changing color. So go put your thing on here like this, and just put it like that. And you see how it's not giving off light that much. Oh my gosh. One sec, guys. So you see how it's giving off that little light thing. So what you can do is that you can go down here to range, put it to 20, and see what happens. So you see how it's a little bit lighter. So I'm making a horror game right now, if anybody doesn't know, and it's really dark. And you see how I put it like this, and it's flashing down? Yeah, that's what you're trying to go for, like other games do it. For example, Gorilla Tag import like a picture of what an example of it. So yeah, like that, how it's giving off the light and stuff. So that's what you're going for. But anyways, you really did it already, but I'm gonna make this cube bigger so it will be like understandable why it's giving off that much light. Okay, and that's how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!